Every morning, Aikido practitioners begin with Aiki Taiso, preparatory exercises designed to wake up the body, circulate energy, and center the mind. These aren't just stretches, they're dynamic movements that align your body with universal energy. In 15 minutes, you'll be flexible, energized, and perfectly centered. Your joints will be loose, your energy will be flowing, your mind will be clear and ready. Today, I'm teaching you the complete Aiki Taiso routine. Get ready to move. Welcome to episode 19 of Daoist Mind Training. Today, we're learning Aiki Taiso, the warm-up exercises used in Aikido. Now, Aikido is a Japanese martial art, but like I said in episode 17, these Japanese practices align perfectly with Daoist principles.
What is Aiki Taiso? Aiki Taiso translates to Aikido exercises or harmonizing exercises. They were developed to prepare the body for Aikido training. But you don't need to practice Aikido to benefit from them. These exercises work for anyone.
What they do: open and lubricate all your joints. Circulate ki through your body. Improve flexibility and range of motion. Center your mind and body. Wake you up and energize you for the day. Most stretching is static. You hold a position. Aiki Taiso is dynamic. You're constantly moving, flowing. This keeps energy circulating instead of stagnating. Also, these exercises emphasize staying centered. Even while moving, your center, your Dantian, remains stable. This trains you to move from your center, not from your extremities. That's the Aikido way. That's also the Daoist way. These exercises are perfect for first thing in the morning. Wake up your body. Before any physical activity. Warm up when you've been sitting too long. Before meditation, prepare your body. Anytime you need to feel centered and energized. Now, let me teach you the routine. We'll do 12 exercises. We'll practice together. Ready? Let's move. Stand with feet shoulder width apart, knees slightly bent, relaxed but grounded. This is your starting position for all exercises.
Exercise 1. Neck rolls.
Drop your chin to your chest. Slowly roll your head to the right, back, to the left, forward again. Make a complete circle, slow and controlled.
5 circles to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Now reverse. 5 circles to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good. Your neck is warming up. Exercise 2. Shoulder rotations.
Place your fingertips on your shoulders. Elbows point forward. Now make big circles with your elbows. Forward, up, back, down. Big circles.
10 circles forward. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, all the way to 10. Now reverse. 10 circles backward. 1, 2, 3, to 10. Feel your shoulders opening up. Exercise 3. Arm swings. Arms at your sides. Swing them forward together, up overhead. Then swing them back and down. Continuous motion, like a pendulum. 20 swings. Let momentum carry your arms. Don't force. Forward, back. Forward, back. Keep breathing.
Let's count to 20.
Good. Your arms and shoulders are loose now.
Exercise 4. Trunk rotations. Hands on hips, feet stay planted. Twist your upper body to the right, then to the left. Keep your hips facing forward. Only your torso rotates. 20 rotations total, 10 to each side. Right, left, smooth and continuous. Your spine is waking up. Exercise 5. Hip circles. Hands on hips. Make big circles with your hips. Push them forward, to the right, back, to the left, like hula hooping.
10 circles clockwise. 1, 2, 3 to 10.
Reverse. 10 circles counterclockwise.
Your lower back and hips are loosening. Exercise 6. Knee circles.
Feet together, hands on your knees. Bend slightly. Make circles with your knees. Circular motion.
10 circles clockwise.
10 circles counterclockwise.
Your knees are now mobile and warm.
Exercise 7. Ankle rotations.
Lift your right foot slightly off the ground. Rotate your ankle. Make circles with your foot. 10 circles clockwise, 10 counterclockwise.
Switch feet. Left foot now. 10 each direction.
Every joint from head to toe is now warmed up. Now we move to the Aikido specific exercises.
Exercise 8. Funakogi Undo. Rowing exercise. This mimics rowing a boat. Left foot forward, right foot back. Hands in fists at your hips. Push forward with your arms as you shift weight forward. Pull back as you shift weight back.
20 reps.
Push forward, pull back. Forward, back. Keep your center low. Move from your Dantian, not your arms.
Switch stance. Right foot forward now. 20 more reps.
Exercise 9. Ikkyo Undo.
Arms extended forward at chest height, palms down. Raise your arms overhead, palms up. Lower back down, palms down. Continuous flowing motion.
20 reps. Up, down, up, down. Imagine you're lifting energy from the earth and raising it to the sky, then bringing it back down. Keep breathing. Exercise 10. Zengo Undo. Forward back sway.
Feet together. Rock forward onto the balls of your feet. Arms swing forward. Rock back onto your heels. Arms swing back, like a pendulum. Continuous flow.
20 reps. Forward, back. Forward, back. Stay balanced. Stay centered, even while moving. Exercise 11. Sayu Undo. Side to side movement. Wide stance. Shift your weight to the right leg. Left arm extends across your body. Shift weight to the left leg. Right arm extends. Smooth transitions. 20 reps total. 10 each side. Right, left, right, left. Feel your weight shifting smoothly from leg to leg. Exercise 12. Tekubi Kosa Undo. Wrist crossing. Arms extended in front of you. Cross your wrists right over left. Then uncross and cross left over right. Continuous flowing motion. This loosens your wrists and forearms. 30 reps. Fast but controlled. Cross, uncross. Cross, uncross. Keep breathing. Now stop. Stand still.
Feet shoulder width apart, arms at your sides. Just breathe. Notice how you feel.
Your body should feel awake, warm, flexible. Your energy should be circulating. Your mind should be clear and centered. This is what Aiki Taiso creates. That's the complete Aiki Taiso routine. 12 exercises, about 12 minutes. And now your body is ready for anything. These exercises work because they address your entire body systematically. We started at the top, neck, and worked our way down to the ankles. Every major joint got attention. Then we did dynamic whole body movements that integrated everything. More importantly, these movements circulate ki. When you move dynamically like this, energy can't get stuck. It flows through your joints, your muscles, your meridians. You're not just stretching, you're moving life force. Do this routine every morning if you can. It's the perfect way to start your day. Your body will thank you. Your joints will stay healthy. Your flexibility will improve. Your energy will be consistent.
If you can't do it every morning, do it at least 3 times a week. Consistency matters more than perfection.
If you have joint issues, make smaller circles.
Move slower. Don't push into pain.
Skip any exercise that doesn't feel right. Listen to your body. These exercises should feel good, not painful. Aiki Taiso pairs perfectly with
Episode 5, Qigong. Do Aiki Taiso first as warm-up. Episode 7, Tai Chi. Prepare your body first. Episode 17, Misogi breath. Energizing morning combo. Episode 3, Zhuangwang. Warm-up before sitting meditation. Aiki Taiso, then move into your practice. Your body will be prepared. In Aikido, these exercises aren't just physical. They're training you to stay centered while moving, to remain balanced even in motion, to move from your center, not from your periphery. That's a life skill. Can you stay centered when life is moving fast? Can you remain balanced when circumstances are changing? Can you move from your core, your truth, your center, even when everything around you is chaotic? That's what Aiki Taiso teaches, not just flexible joints. Centered movement through life. If this routine helped you, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive the notifications for upcoming episodes and shorts. Let me know in the comments. Do it for a week and tell me how you feel. And check out the other movement practices in this series. They all work together. Move, flow, stay centered.